Betrayal is one of the most painful experiences a person can go through. The closer you were to the one who let you down, the deeper the hurt. Trust is not just about believing in someone. It is about feeling safe with them. When that trust is broken, it can shake your sense of security and leave you struggling to make sense of what happened. The emotional impact can be overwhelming, and healing does not happen overnight. After being betrayed, it is common to find yourself caught in an endless loop of painful thoughts. Your mind replays the moment over and over, searching for answers that never come. Instead of helping, these thoughts make it harder to move forward. This pattern is known as rumination. It fills your mind with doubt, anger, sadness, and even shame, making you feel stuck in the past. Betrayal cuts deep because it shakes your belief in people, in relationships, and sometimes even in yourself. It is not just about what was done to you. It is about what it takes away. It can leave you questioning your own judgment, wondering if you missed the signs, or blaming yourself for trusting in the first place. This inner conflict makes it even harder to move on. But while the pain feels overwhelming, you are not powerless. There are ways to regain control over your thoughts and emotions. Therapy can help, and different approaches work for different people. One method that can help is cognitive behavioral therapy (CBT). This approach focuses on recognizing negative thought patterns and changing how you respond to them. It helps you reframe your experience, so the betrayal no longer has the same power over you. However, not everyone finds this method effective on its own. Another approach is acceptance and commitment therapy (ACT). Instead of fighting your thoughts or trying to change them, ACT teaches you how to accept them without letting them take over your life. Here are 4 simple techniques that can help. 1. Recognize and name your thoughts. When painful thoughts come up, do not push them away. Instead, name them for what they are. Say to yourself, "I feel hurt right now," or "I am having the thought that I am unworthy because of what happened." By acknowledging these thoughts without judgment, you create space between them and your emotions. 2. Separate yourself from your thoughts. Just because you think something does not make it true. Try imagining your thoughts as leaves floating down a stream, drifting away. You can also repeat them in a silly voice to take away their power. 3. Accept your emotions instead of fighting them. Painful emotions are part of healing, but they do not have to control you. Allow yourself to feel them without resistance. Focus on your breath and notice how your body feels without judgment. Using mindfulness can help you stay present instead of getting lost in distress. 4. Reconnect with what truly matters. Betrayal can shake your sense of identity, but it does not define you. Think about your values: honesty, kindness, personal growth, and take small steps to live by them again. Focusing on what matters to you helps shift your attention away from the pain and towards a future that feels meaningful. Healing takes time. There will be good days and bad days, and setbacks are part of the process. The most important thing is to be kind to yourself. Seek support from those you trust, whether it is close friends, family, or a professional. You will not feel this way forever. Little by little, the pain will fade, and you will come out of this stronger, wiser, and ready to move forward with a new sense of self. I hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching. Until next time, I will see you in the next one.